Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front clip here, you do have PPF paint protection film, entire fender, hood, front bumper, and the headlights. You also have it here on the side mirrors. Looking at the wheel, gloss black. You do have some rash right there, and you can see it did clip the tire and took a little chunk out of the tire right there. 285/40/22s. These are Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s. Date code 2022. Looking at that fender, looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. Side mirror looks awesome. Door looks amazing, and then you have carbon down here. That looks good. Got the window tint, gloss black, roof rails, all of this trim, gloss black. Massive door here. Looks good. Quarter looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Same tires. Pilot Sport All Seasons. Date code 2024. Headlights look good. Hood edge nice and clean. And then you have a little spot here on the PPF, maybe some old bird poop that kind of etched into that film. Looks good. Fender looks amazing. That wheel looks awesome. Full carbon down there. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. And then look at the carbon up here. This wheel has some rash on it as well. Date code 2022. And then you have the exhaust. And then here above the driver handle, there's one little chip right there. Then you do have a scratch right there that barely catches your nail. And then the PPF right here is kind of lifting. You can see that little air pocket. You'll see the bubbles there. And then check out this interior. Incredible seats. This trim looks amazing too. It's very cool. The rest of that door panel looks good. Got the Bentley all-weather mats, nice rubber. All this trim looks good. Looking at that bolster, incredibly clean. All the Alcantara looks good. You do have a Alcantara steering wheel. See, that looks good. A little bit of wear just with any Alcantara. You're going to have some dry spots, little matted spots. Buttons look good. Looks really, really nice. Smells great in here. Here on the upper section, it looks perfect. All of that's nice and clean. Got a storage pocket in here. Overall, that door panel looks pretty much brand new. Got the illuminated trim here. You got the light there and the bright LED here. It's super, super bright. Check out the floor mats. Bentley brand looks good. Seat bolster looks perfect. All the Alcantara is in great condition. Full Alcantara under the glove box and that trim. This looks incredible. Now the logo here, the Speed logo, you can see it barely peeled back, just that little edge. Upper section looks amazing. Alcantara headliner, massive panoramic roof. Here on the back right door panel, looks amazing. Got the illuminated logo on the ground. That's illuminated. Looking at the seat, looks incredible there. Upper side looks good. Now right here in the middle, you have this little indentation. Maybe something was kind of sitting on there, or this was folded down and kind of pressed on there. Backs look good. Really, really nice. Here on the back left door panel, that looks amazing. Trim is nice and clean. Now you do have a gash right here, pretty deep one, in the door jamb. That bolster looks good. Same here. I don't see any flaws beside what you see right there in the middle. Here in the engine bay, all the plastics have been fully protected, look amazing. Now the white here has kind of flaked off. Other than that, looks perfect. Look at the underhood liner, looks good.